This video will cover working with classes. In the previous video of working with classes, we covered void methods. In this video, we are going to cover value returning methods in a class. We have a class, simple calculator, and this class has a method, sum numbers, a very simple class. We need two numbers, so num1 and num2, and we return num1 plus num2. And that's the class definition. Now we want to create an instance of the class to memory, and we know that we have to create a variable of simple calculator. This creates an instance or an object of simple calculator to memory, in memory. And now we can get the result, and then we call simple calc some numbers, and we print the result. To summarize, we create the class definition simple calculator with one method that returns a value, the method sum underscore numbers. It has the self parameter to mean that this method belongs to the simple calculator, has parameter 2 num1 and parameter 3 num2. We return the sum of num1 plus num2, or return num1 plus num2. We create an object in memory, or an instance of the class, simple underscore calc equals simple calculator. We create a local variable result. We equals simple underscore calc dot sum underscore numbers, and then we send argument 3 and argument 9, and then we print the result. And the result, as expected, is 12. And this is a class that uses a value returning method. Now, what we've been doing in class is creating a main class. This is what we've been doing. Of course, this one is simple calculator, and then we create a main method, and then we can so we create a class main class, we create a main method def main, and then we put the code block in the main method. We proceed to create a main class instance, and then we call main. Let's name it main class. Main class. We call the method, and it prints 12. To summarize, we create a class main class definition with one method main. We create an instance of simple calculator in the main method, and we create a local variable result, and we call the sum numbers method from the simple calculator, and then we print the result. outside of the class scope, we create a main class instance with main underscore class equals main class, and then we call the main class dot main method, which prints 12 as we expected. So let's summarize. First, define simple calculator with the sum numbers, num and num2. We return the sum of num1 plus num2. We create a class main class, and we define the main method. We create a simple calculator instance, local variable result, and then we call the sum numbers method from the simple underscore calc instance, and then we print the result. To make that run, we have to create a main class instance with main underscore class equals main class, and then main underscore class dot main. And this is a very short review of how to work with value returning methods in a class.